Welcome to this video showcasing a snowy wonderland of automotive innovation. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey into 14 amazing winter car inventions that'll boost your confidence on snowy roads. Before we start, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates on such exclusive innovations. Number 1. Webasto parking heaters. These parking heaters offer the luxury of stepping into a warm car on cold or snowy days, allowing you to hit the road without the inconvenience of cleaning windows. You simply need to install this parking heater, and your cabin maintains a warm temperature of 21 degrees Celsius all year round. There are versions powered by either fuel or electricity, with the latter being 40% more cost-effective. These heaters automatically adjust the temperature and feature a quick mode that heats the car in just 15 minutes when you're in a rush. One of the diesel versions of this heater is priced at $913. Number 2. CleanShield. We have scrapers, dicers, brushes, and wipers for clearing snow and ice from our windshield, but they can be inconvenient when they don't work. That's why the H2O Innovate team introduced the CleanShield Protector. It's water-resistant and holds wind up to 28 ms. It easily pops open due to its patented internal spring. It is lightweight at just 1.1 kilograms and available for $43. Number 3. Snow Tow. Winter fishing enthusiasts can enjoy having these big skis that significantly ease the process of hauling trailers to fishing spots. They are even compatible with ATVs for pulling. The skis measure 104 by 41 centimeters, and its wheels are simply designed. A pair of these skis costs $925. For a more complex design, specifically for tow hitches, it measures 104 by 51 centimeters and is priced at $860. Number 4. Tusk. Tusk is an amazing adventure tool. It is designed from polymer and a tough steel mainplate. Its steel spade is useful for clearing and digging out snow around the car. The polycarbonate scraper sweeps the ice from the windows. It easily fits around wheels and features a double-handle design for compactness and ease of use. It is proven durable even when a car drives over it. It is lightweight at 650 grams and priced at $58. Number 5. Quick Connect. In the French movie Taxi 3, there's a scene where a car transforms into a snowmobile within seconds. Quick Connect resembles this concept, with a system that converts regular wheels into tracks, lifting the car by 18 centimeters. They have the world's simplest and quickest installation process, allowing the switch from 4 wheels to tracks in less than 3 minutes. Their X-shaped design functions smoothly on both snow and ice. This innovative system is available for $112,000. Number 6. Sag Direct Heated Steering Wheel Cover. Sag Direct stands out in automotive accessories, offering a practical and convenient steering wheel cover. It's designed to fit steering wheels with a diameter of 37 to 38 centimeters. It features heating capabilities powered by the car's power outlet, which ensures easy installation. It is designed from velour for an odor-free and pleasant driving experience. It is made with a non-slip rubber lining that enhances safety while driving. It also safeguards your steering wheel from sun damage, scratches, fading, wear, and dirt. Number 7. Bush Winch. It is also known as a self-recovery system. It's a unique winch designed to attach directly to the wheel. Its concept involves maintaining a low speed to smoothly pull the car out. Using the Bush Winch doesn't require special driving skills and is mainly limited by the engine's capabilities. It utilizes the vehicle's full engine power directly from the wheels, requiring no vehicle modifications. This winch can handle any challenge effortlessly, in sand, mud, or ice. It is available for $300. Number 8. SeaSucker. SeaSucker Company's team is composed of snowboarders, fishermen, and dedicated cyclists who understand the challenges of transporting equipment, such as fishing rods and skis. They specialize in designing unique racks and even design boat-specific solutions. Well, their car racks, designed for skis and snowboards, are amazing. Its Pallavicini model accommodates 4 snowboards or 2 pairs of skis, securely attached to the metal, glass, and fiberglass of the car. The versatile classic model can also be used for carrying fishing rods in the summer. The Pallavicini is priced at $375, while the classic is available for $425. Number 9. Autosock. Autosocks are incredibly effective as ambulances, forklifts, buses, and heavy trucks use them. They are made up of textile material that grips onto snow and ice, providing excellent traction even on icy mountain roads. The woven and coated net keeps the whole Autosock stable and stops snow or debris from collecting between the tire and the road fabric. Installing an Autosock takes just 3 minutes, and a set of 2 covers is priced at around $104. Number 10. BevoGrip. With BevoGrip, truck drivers no longer need to wait for icy roads to be sanded. This system allows confident driving by automatically releasing sand in front of the back wheels, reducing the risk of getting stuck on hills. It has a lightweight design. The heating unit is placed directly over the output axle in the sand for maximum efficiency and to prevent the sand from freezing. A single BevoGrip system unit is priced at approximately $4,175. Number 11. Lock De-Icers. It's a small gadget that gets inserted into your keychain and generates heat. It defrosts the car lock and lubricates it. It also creates a protective covering to prevent refreezing. This tool resembles a lockpick and is effective due to its heating element. It heats up in seconds and cuts through the ice effortlessly. The spray costs $3, while 2 de-icer keychains come in at $18. Number 12. ShurTrax. If your rear-wheel drive car struggles on snowy roads when it's empty at the back, ShurTrax is a great pick. These adaptable traction mats, when filled with water, add 182 kilograms of weight over the rear wheels to provide a smoother ride. They also ensure less bouncing and better handling in any situation. They're designed to handle freezing temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. The 182 kilogram ShurTrax is available for $170, while smaller models are offered at a lower price. Number 13. DragPro 180Z. When snow accumulates and city services are slow, attach the DragPro 180Z to your pickup, a powerful snowplow. This tool clears paths up to 4.9 meters wide and works effectively in reverse due to its flexible design. It clears vast spaces like commercial parking lots by pulling snow from the back. The 2-point attachment system ensures stability, allowing pulling snow in forward, reverse, and the Z position. Number 14. Beper Electric Ice Scraper. The ice scraper simplifies your winter car care routine. This enhanced version conveniently connects, as it is designed with a 12V socket. Through electrical resistance heating, this tool melts ice at a high speed. Its extendable handle and 4.5-meter cable easily reach any part of the windshield. The built-in LED light ensures usability in low-light conditions. It is available for $117. Let's conclude this exploration now and prioritize driving smarter, safer, and cozier through the frosty season ahead by using these amazing inventions. So, which of these inventions catches your interest for your winter driving routine? Share your picks in the comments section below. If you get excited by watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.